Dalawang bagay na kailangan mong gawin araw-araw, every single minute of your day, para mas i-blessed ka. Hello guys, again, this is Coach Japs. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel natin, mag-subscribe ka na para like kang ma-update sa mga video trainings natin. And of course, don't forget to click the bell button para like kang ma-notify every time meron tayong video na ina-upload. Dalawang bagay na kailangan mong gawin everyday at kailangan mo i-practice everyday para mas maging madali ang mga bagay-bagay para sa'yo, para mas i-blessed ka. Ano yun? Number one, you have to be grateful everyday. Bakit makakailangan? Paano maging grateful? You have to be thankful. Even the simple things, thank you dahil nagising ka ng umaga, thank you for the life, thank you for your family, thank you for the every single things na dumadating sa'yo, thank you for every single blessing, walang malaki, walang maliit, lahat ipagpasalamat mo yan. Guys, kasi pag naging grateful ka, kapag naging thankful ka, alright, universe will give you things, okay? God will give you things that you will be more thankful for, alright? Dapat maging malinis yung puso mo. Alright? You have to be grateful. Dapat lagi mo tingnan yung mga maliliit na bagay. Minsan nagiging problem sa atin. Usually, lagi tayong nagko-complain, lagi tayong nagbi-blame. Yun yung mga nagiging, yun yung number one na kalaban ng pagiging grateful. Don't blame, don't complain. Kung wala kang sapatos, it's okay. Yung ibang tao nga walang paa eh. Diba? Well, at this moment of time, maliit pa lang yung network mo, konti pa lang yung downlines mo, be grateful. Bakit? Yung iba nga, wala pang downline eh. Diba? Nagreklamo ka, you're complaining, wala ka pang downline, be grateful. At least, nakapag-start ka na, naka-join ka na, member ka na. Diba? Hindi ka pa member, be grateful. Bakit? Yung ibang tao nga, hindi pa nila alam yung AIM Global eh. Buti ikaw, alam mo na. It's just a matter of, finding ways, alright? Para makapag-start ka. That's the first thing, be grateful. Pangalawa, you have to feel good every day. Alam nyo guys, everything is vibrating and everything is about vibration. Guys, the moment you feel good every day, you're releasing positive energy or positive vibration. And, in nature, positive attracts positive, negative attracts negative. Alright? Guys, lagi ka dapat, you have to feel good every day. Morning pa lang, kasi konektado yan eh. Kapag grateful ka, you feel good. Di ba? Huwag ka masyadong maging magagalitin. Huwag kang mayamot. And you know what guys? Minsan, you don't feel good. Number one, because hindi ka marunong magpatawad. Learn to forgive. Di ba? Kung may mga taon nakagalitan ka, forgive them. Kasi guys, unforgiveness, alright? Unforgiveness is the most powerful negative energy in the whole world. Kapag galit ka sa tao, pag hindi mo pinapatawad, it is like you want to kill that person but you are the one who is drinking the poison. Gusto mo siyang patayin pero hindi mo alam. Yung unforgiveness, ikaw ang mas nagiging, argabyado. Diba? Parang mas pinapatay mo yung sarili mo pag hindi ka nagpapatawad. Learn to forgive. Okay? Move on. And you have to feel good every day. Kasi guys, may tinatawag tayo na law of the least effort. Mas dumadating yung maraming blessing, mas dumadali yung mga bagay-bagay kapag, you feel good every day. Paano yun? You have to be happy. Diba? Imagine nyo guys, if you feel good, naramdaman nyo ba yung bigla na lang may nag-PPM sa'yo na nag-i-inquire about AIM? Diba? Walang effort. Minsan, napansin mo na lang yung downline mo. Grabe, kanya-kanyang pain. Hindi mo naman na minomotivate, hindi mo na kinakausap. In fact, diba? Why? Because you feel good, alright? The universe will rearrange itself to make things happen for you. Kaya guys, 2 things na kailangan mong gawin every day para mas maging madali yung blessing, para mas makuha mo yung mga result na gusto mo. Number 1, be grateful. Pangalawa, you have to feel good every day. Again, this is Coach Japs. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na YouTube natin again. Guys, God bless and more power. AIM World.